I think like it's alright to learn. For me, like I don't find it hard or anything. But for others, it could be difficult.
Sometimes we're just reading a book, like an Irish book, or sometimes we're just playing games. So it could be fun and bad at the same time.
Doing games and all that stuff, that's what I like about it.
I like all the games in it, like bingo and all.
I think it's very hard to learn some of the stuff, but it is like fun at times also. Just when we get to interact with each other and stuff.
It's a bit hard, but it's also a bit easy at the same time. I think it's hard because it's hard to understand the words and to read them. I don't like when we have to read in Irish. It's kind of hard.
Just like spelling and pronunciation and
it's like writing them, because like sometimes there's little like things you have to add to make it that word.
Because sometimes there's like difficult words.
Everything is hard for me in Irish. I was doing it every second day. Because like when you're learning the words so much, like you kind of forget, because it's just like every day, and I don't think you get enough time neither to do it.
If like we played more games, and it would be like easier, like we started with the small words and then we went up to hard words.
For the junior classes, I think it made it easier just because the things that we were learning was easier and like the words were shorter and just, yeah.
Like in junior infants, every year we do this like Christmas play, and like we used to learn loads of Christmas songs, and I still remember them.
To learn the word multiple times.
I'd say there was more songs than like listening and reading, and like more poetry and just like less of the learning bit and more of the fun bit.
My favourite thing is probably like writing and like speaking it most of the times, yeah. I feel like doing it more often, so like some days you do games and some days you do writing, because like the more you write in Irish, the more you get used to it.
Maybe if we had like a board game in the class, that like, you know, that like there's a button and like you have to try to match the word. Like when they say the word, you have to try to pick up the right word.
Play games, fun games, all kind of games, but to be fun.
Maybe like doing like little activities and all that stuff, like say like talking to people like in Irish, like getting to know them like in Irish and all that stuff.